Hey, Chief, could you come over here for a second?
Okay. Did you find anything that has some relation to these abductions?
Well, yes. We just got a videotape mailed in from someone at DeKalb County. I've handed that tape to the investigation department. This is what they concluded. Take a look.
All right, let me see. Oh, Jesus. This is not good. Have we not contacted the governor's office yet?
Yep, Chief, we did contact them about this.
Chief, we've just got word that some of our men have gone unresponsive at the Franklin State Forest. What?
This is not good. We may have to enact an emergency meeting with the Investigation Bureau.
Damn it.
The emergency alert system has been activated of a statewide emergency. This is not a test. Please stand by.
This message is being relayed at the request of the Tennessee Emergency Management Agency, the Federal Emergency Management Agency, and the Tennessee Department of Safety and Homeland Security. This is not a test. Please pay close attention. Over 75,000 people have been declared missing in the state of Tennessee within the last 38 hours, with emergency management unable to establish a connection due to difficulties locating these missing individuals. Most of these disappearances were frequently during night hours and were last seen outdoors. The Tennessee Emergency Management Agency, in coordination with the Federal Emergency Management Agency, has issued an unprecedented order to the state of Tennessee. A mandatory curfew order has been set between the hours of 10 p.m. and 8 a.m. Central Standard Time. We understand this curfew may be difficult to endure, but keep in mind that this is being done for the safety of all residents. To ensure your safety, the following precautionary measures can be taken. Lock all doors and windows or any entrance points to your residence, and cover all windows with blinds. If anyone attempts to break into your property, you have the right to protect yourself by all means necessary. If you see unusual activities, contact your local police department. If you have any updates regarding these missing persons, we urge you to dial your emergency services. Stay tuned to news channels or media outlets for further information as we currently uncover this mass abduction situation.